How to use vanilla gift card on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now, head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. Add the item to the cart. Once we're done adding the item to the cart, what you have to do is click on this cart icon given at the top right corner. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the items. Now check in for it, then click on the option of checkout. You'll be directed to other confirmation page. Once you're in this page, first up you have to provide your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Then head towards the payment method section. You're gonna find different payment methods such as PayPal, credit or debit card, buy now pay later, Apple Pay, Cash App Pay and Venmo. Checking for the option of credit or debit card, then scroll down, click on the option of gift card. Now over here you have to provide your vanilla gift card details, card number and the PIN, and then click on apply. Then check all these details and place your order. So this way you can easily use vanilla gift card on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.